Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're having an issue if your Intel Wireless AC9560 driver not working properly on your computer with the device status. This device cannot start code number 10. Operations failed. The requested operations was unsuccessful. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung settings, and then click mo lang dito yung open. And the next step ay kailangan mo lang isinik dito yung Windows Update, so click mo lang yan. And then dito sa Windows Updates, dito lang sa more options ay kailangan mo lang isinik dito yung advanced options, so i-click mo lang yan. And then dito sa advanced options, ang next step ay dito lang sa additional options, yung pinakauna lang na optional updates. So kailangan mo lang i-click yan. And then dito sa kanyang driver updates, so kapag may nakita kang update dito ay kailangan mo lang siyang i-download or install. So click mo lang siya and then click mo lang tong download or install. Right? So in another solution na pwede natin gawin, so dito lang sa search menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung cmd or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So kailangan mo lang mag-right click and then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. So dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na ipconfig //DNS. So one word yung //DNS, and then press mo lang yung enter. And then makikita mo na dito na successfully flash the DNS resolver cache. And then next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay type mo na yung NATSH space winsup space reset. So i-type mo lang yung NATSH space winsup space reset, and then press mo lang yung enter. And then makikita mo na dito na successfully reset the WinSub catalog. So you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So kailangan lang natin dito mag-restart. Okay, so close mo lang siya. And then dito lang sa start menu, and then click mo lang itong restart. Right? So if the problem or the error still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin, so dito lang sa search menu, and then type mo lang dito yung network reset. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And then madadirect tayo dito sa network reset settings. So this will remove then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client, software, or virtual switches. So dito lang ay makikita mo dito yung network reset, and then dito sa right side, i-click mo lang to reset now. And then network reset, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple. And then next step ay close lang natin yan, and then dito lang si start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix Intel Wireless AC9560 not working in Windows 11 or Windows 10. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.